Hi, this is Therese. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, this time, I'm gonna do just the Elf Cookies and Dreams palette, in which I ended up getting it at Marshall's not so long ago, and I was so happy when I went into Marshall's. I was so happy that they sold this palette because when this first came out, I don't know, maybe last year or something like that. I remember I wanted to pot missed out on it. It's so beautiful and I love it. um, my game plan is just to do the same look. It's just that I'm gonna do two different colors on the lid area. I'll explain what I mean. So let's get started. So we're gonna start off with this. Okay, too much. Keep going. I'm gonna start off with this like tan color right over here as my crease color. So, why did I do that, bad girl? Okay, so trying to recreate the look that I wore for my niece's bowling alley birthday party, sweet 16. Actually speaking, because this palette is perfect because since I wore this Cookies and Dreams palette at my niece's birthday party. I was it's funny that I ended up you know actually my niece's cake, she had like different cupcakes that they passed out. It was like cookies and cream and red velvet and stuff like that. You had your choice. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. So in one lid, I'm going to use this matte light blue color. I'm just going to dab it like this. Okay, soft, subtle color. I'm going to do another dab again. I'm just going to pat it on like this. I can barely see the tan. It's just, I guess my light is too bright. We're going to go on though. I do not care. Let me see. Oh, not yeah, you can see it. I can see it a little bit more, so I'll stick to that. So in this one, I'll do the frosty, like the frosty shimmery, like the frosty, I guess, um, light blue color on this lid right over here. I'm gonna pat it down. Yeah, the shimmery one is more pigmented than the matte pale blue color. Yeah, even though I turned down the brightness of my ring light, I can barely see that tan colored crease color. Okay, so that's that. So I'm going to, okay, so my next game plan is to take that shimmery dark blue color. I'm gonna dot it on my, dot and blend. Ooh, little tap, yeah. Because it is pretty pigmented. I have better control this brush. Switch. Okay. That's better, yeah. That way my hand's not gonna be sore. Just trying to hold on to that brush head. I will never learn. Oh God. Okay. Okay. You know what? It's never too late to learn, so I'm gonna. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to do this one. Yeah, this will do. Okay. Now it's this turn. Oh, that's nice. Almost done. Okay. Oh yeah, it turns out much neater. A little bit, you know. Okay. Much neater. Helps a lot. I know this one's a little bit darker than this one, but that's okay. Just blend a little bit more. Okay. Oops. Okay. And then I'm gonna put. Ooh. Okay, back. Powder all over the place. Good Lord, I was rubbing it in the brush onto the sponge of this color swash. Okay, then I'm gonna put in one brow bone. I'm gonna do this pearly shimmery beige color. Well, it's lighter than the pan than expected. And then the other one, I'll use this cream, like slightly off-white color, like a vanilla color. Oh, it's pretty right. Yeah, oh, yeah. Little goes a long way, especially with this bright light, bright light. Little shout out to Gremlins. Gizmo. Bright light, bright light. Okay, that's it. Okay. Until my next video, whenever that is, peace out, bye, and good night.